What's up, everybody?
What up?
What do we say normally?
I don't know.
What's up, everyone? My name is Steven.
And my name's Allan.
And welcome to another episode of Paint Talk.
Paint Talk.
It's been a while.
Yep.
We've got, we're older, wiser. We have some paintbrushes.
Yep.
This one right here, as everybody knows, 1940s. Been collecting some antiques. We put them on the wall for Paint Talk. So you have something to look at besides our beautiful faces. As much as everybody loves looking at Allan's scruffy face.
Right here, just for you.
Just
right here
he's got that. He's got that.
I even shaved.
Oh, you shaved?
Yeah. My wife
still kind of scruffy.
She thinks I look like a little kid when I shave.
Yeah, little baby.
She was like, "You don't look like a business owner." That's what she told me.
You never have.
That's true. Gallery.
Yeah, you got the Boulevard of Dreams and the Gallery of Paint here.
That's right. Gallery Paint is a new cabinet coat from
It's not that new, Allan.
It's not that new.
We made a Paint Talk and the audio was bad, and then now this new paint's not that new.
It's not that new. New-ish.
New-ish. It's it's good for mill work. For all you mill workers, this is the paint for you.
Yep.
Really what it is a cabinet and millwork paint. What does millwork mean? It means trimmadors. That's basically what they're trying to say. But really what this product is especially good for is cabinets. And we're going to talk about that a little bit. Allan, you've demoed this paint. We have a number of franchisees using it now.
Yep.
What do you think about it as you even got to spray some?
Yep, it was fun.
So,
I love this product. I do think it is, you need to test it. I wouldn't just run to this product right away without testing it out on, maybe some extra piece of trim or carpentry or door or whatever you can before you go to just bring this to a customer's home, because it is a little finicky. This does not brush and roll at all. This is designed to only be sprayed, and even then, you want to make sure, an HLPV, something like that would probably be even better. It is a really fast drying product. It does cover surprisingly well. When you go to open it, you're gonna see that it's a really thin coating, so you would actually suspect that the coverage isn't that great. When I sprayed it out, I was spraying it as a brown color on raw trim, and the coverage was actually, I was quite surprised with how thin it was, the coverage. And the dry time is nuts. I mean,
there you go.
The dry time,
that's the good stuff.
Yeah, that's the good stuff. The dry time was nuts. I think when I was testing it out, 20 minutes, and it was already dry enough to where I couldn't even scratch it or peel it back off.
And you can recoat same day.
Mm-hmm. You can recoat within a couple hours. I mean, it's really quick. So it does increase your productivity time. Like, you can get more coats quicker.
Yeah.
And if it's a kitchen or something like that, and the homeowner can't really wait for all that cure time of some of the other enamels and cabinet coats that are out there, it is a great product for that. But it is really hard to touch up. But as long as you have all the right equipment, the right spray tips, the right equipment and prep work, you can get the projects done really, really quick. So
this product is really a product for professionals. I'm sorry, DIYers. We love you. We love it when people do their own projects, but this might not be the paint for you.
No.
Because the fact is that it's pretty thin, so that means it's going to run really easily. It's going to drip really easily. It's designed to be sprayed. That's why it's a little bit thinner. It's also designed for multiple coats so that you can get that thick finish through multiple coats that you recoat over a pretty quick time. But it's also incredibly durable. But like you said, it's hard to use brush and roller. It's a little bit thin. It's really designed for spraying. You got to move fast on this product. You don't have a lot of time. You don't have what they call working time. And so you're going to have to move quickly. This is really a product for professionals. It's also a very expensive product. It's about $100 a gallon or so. You're going to see prices obviously vary a little bit by area or account, but basically it's a $100 a gallon product. It's kind of what you need to think about this as. But again, you're not using a lot of gallons. Your average cabinet job is probably 3-4 gallons. When you're painting a home, you use a lot of gallons on the walls and ceilings, but you use very few for your trim and door. So it's worth that investment because it is going to be those quick dry times, but it's also extremely durable.
Yeah, coverage rates further. So 1 gallon of Gallery will go further than like 1 gallon of Emerald Urethane or something.
Yeah.
Because it is so thin. This is actually recommended that you spray it out about 6 mils. So if you're a professional and you're spraying a lot, you kind of know what I mean. Most cabinet coatings are like 9 to 12 mils. That's kind of the recommended thickness. And so because of that, it actually goes, 1 gallon's deceptive. It goes pretty far. It's kind
also means if you put it on too heavy, you're gonna have some serious problems.
That's why you have to be careful, because if you go, the people think that paint failure happens because of underutilizing paint or not putting enough. Most paint failure is because you do too much.
The vast majority of paint failure is actually that they put on too thick of a coat.
Yeah.
Which causes a lot of problems with the paint.
Yeah.
As it doesn't cure properly.
It is cool. I think the only other thing too is that the sheens are different with this product. They don't really have it in like the standard, you know, well, it'll say on the can, it has like, but it'll say like 40, 20, 60. That's the exact amount of gloss that's in it. So they don't really have it in like the standard flat satin semis. So just be aware of that. Like a 20 is going to be more of a matte kind of finish. 40 is more of like a semi gloss, and then you get the whole gloss with like the 60. So
yeah, it'd be
pretty
like
cool.
an eggshell semi-gloss and like a high gloss.
Exactly.
Or like, well, it's actually not a high gloss at 60. That'd be like a
it's just like a standard gloss.
Yeah, standard gloss. So great product. All you pros out there, please comment what you love about this product if you've used it. If there's anything like pro tips as you've been spraying this on, if you have brush and rolled and there's some techniques that you've found that made it workable that way, we'd love to hear that in the comments. Customers, if you're going to be doing your own Sherwin-Doors or your own cabinets, we really recommend that you go with something like Pro Classic or Emerald Urethane. If you're using Sherwin-Williams, and I would probably avoid this product because it's really hard to work with. It's a pretty good summary of that product, I think, Alan.
Yeah, the only thing I would say is if there's Sherwin people watching this video, can you please, for goodness gracious sake, build a good primer, like a build coat primer for this thing? Because my only complaint is that because it is so thin and it's designed to be sprayed out thin, like if you don't have a really smooth, like it does tend to show, it doesn't level as good as some of the other thicker enamels. And so if you're a pro, you want to use it, I would go find a good build primer to help kind of cover up some of those, you know, blemishes or some of that wood grain in the cabinets. But I'm hoping
do a lot of prep,
that eventually they come out with a good primer.
Do a lot of prep, get the surface really smooth if you're going to use this product. So anyways, that's another episode of Paint Talk for you guys. Again, please like, share, but most importantly, please comment on this video with any thoughts you have about Gallery. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.